Good day and welcome to another 6-gun grill recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to do 6-gun and cheese stuffed braai mushrooms. For our ingredients, we will be needing some braai mushrooms, some butter, some garlic, some finely crushed cheese and onions chips, some grated cheese, and my secret ingredient, 6-gun grill. In a mixing bowl, I'm gonna add my cheese and onion chips. This I've crusted already. I'm gonna add some garlic. I'm gonna add some butter. And last but not least, the most important, 6-gun grill. Once mixed through, using a spoon, we will now stuff our mushrooms. Now, obviously, what is cooking without getting your hands dirty? Top it with some cheese. If you really want to make sure you don't lose that flavor, just another dash of 6-gun. You can obviously place this on the braai, or there's so many ways of cooking it. I'm just doing it in an oven. Oven tray, oven 180 degrees, 10 minutes, and we will be having some 6-gun mushroom fun. 10 minutes has gone by and it's time to remove these mushrooms. Pure deliciousness. I've got a knife, I've got a fork. Let's have a taste. Oh, look at that.